I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate chip cookies. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, both granulated and brown sugar, softened butter, eggs, vanilla extract, baking soda, salt, and of course, plenty of chocolate chips. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Make sure your butter is at room temperature for easy creaming, and preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter with the granulated and brown sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy. This step incorporates air, making your cookies tender. Next, beat in the eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Then stir in the vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together your flour, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, mixing until just combined. Then fold in your chocolate chips. It's time to bake. Drop rounded tablespoons of your delicious cookie dough onto ungreased baking sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. This allows them to spread without touching. Bake them in your preheated oven for 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and the centers are still slightly soft. Once baked, let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 2 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. This helps them set up properly. Your warm, homemade chocolate chip cookies are ready to enjoy. For the best flavor, serve them slightly warm with a glass of milk. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container to keep them fresh for several days. A little tip for extra chewy cookies is to slightly underbake them, pulling them out when the centers are still a bit soft. And hey, if you're looking for a great way to relax while enjoying your treats, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other deals. Happy baking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.